Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about why friendship is essential for your mental and physical health. If you've ever had a friend you can laugh, cry, and share your secrets with, you already know how powerful that bond is. A good friend can lift you when you're down and celebrate when you win. Friendship isn't just nice to have, it's good for your health. Friends can keep you from feeling lonely and give you a sense of purpose. Boost happiness, reduce stress and improve self-confidence. Help you through tough times like illness, loss, or big life changes. Encourage healthy habits and help you avoid bad ones. Put problems into perspective and offer fresh ideas. Give you security, laughter and shared experiences. Build trust and loyalty through mutual give and take. People with strong friendships have a lower risk of depression, high blood pressure and obesity. 1. Why it matters. Social media makes it easy to connect with many people, but a few close, in-person friendships are more meaningful. Online friends are fine, just make time for face-to-face connection too. 2. Making new friends. Look for people you trust and who show genuine interest in you. Accept you as you are, listen without judgment, and share their own thoughts and feelings. Friendship is a two-way street, both people need to give and receive support. 3. Where to find them. Reconnect with old friends, chat with people you've met at work or events, or meet new people through community events or hobby clubs. Volunteering, classes or group activities, and faith communities. 4. A note on limits. Friendship is powerful, but it's not a replacement for professional mental health care. If emotional struggles affect your daily life, talk to a licensed therapist. Stay positive, you won't click with everyone, and that's okay. A friendly attitude makes it easier to connect with like-minded people and grow lasting bonds. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.